Probably gonna be shooting me like.
Oh, what's that?
Please, I know that.
All right, so back on Facebook Live.
But I have been in a while or something.
Okay.
Place I never been in before. Gotta let people know how it is.
All right.
Matter of fact, I need to start recording.
Yeah, you do, bro. But anyway. Oh, by the way, are you gonna put that girl on your video?
Probably.
Okay. I think that's gonna be a good idea, man. Because if y'all break up, I hope you don't delete the video. I'm just saying if.
I'm not gonna delete the video because we broke up.
What you about to do?
I'm way too finished.
Oh yeah. Well, why? Because y'all want to get your show twisted.
I mean, cause you recording.
Yeah, I'm Facebook Live.
Unless you want that, let's just this is a behind the scene of my video or something like that.
Well, actually. All right.
Don't be 50.
Oh yeah. Later on, I'm in a few minutes. I'm gonna go see Latoya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So your birthday in a couple of days, and your birthday's in a couple of days, huh, bro?
Yeah.
Yes, indeed, bro. Yes, indeed, folks. So, so anyway, Randy TV's birthday is in a couple of days. So I bet y'all gonna wish him a happy birthday. But are you gonna do a show for your birthday?
Yeah.
That'll be a good idea. About your Houston trip. No telling what it's gonna be about. It doesn't matter what it's gonna be about. Long as you have fun out there, post it up there. I might watch it several times. Well, all right. If you're ready to film, all right. Let me stop this tape on Facebook Live, and I'm gonna see y'all whenever. Okay. I might have Latoya on my Facebook chat again. Okay. All right. Oh wait, no, never mind. All right. So, all right. I'm about to stop this tape, and this is going on YouTube, folks. Okay. All right. Bye.